Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Ikonic CNT 19 Curling Tong. This is basically a professional hair curler. It comes with ceramic shine infused conical barrel with cool tip. It creates tight or loose curls, waves and flicks. This is aimed primarily for women and or with people who loves to take care of their long hair. There are some more specifications mentioned. It says ceramic barrel technology evenly distributes heat, prevents hair damage and gives shiny results. Comfort slip-free grip, soft touch rubber handle for comfort and control in use. Cool tip, the protective cool tip provides safety for holding the hair while styling. Overheat protection allows the tool to automatically shut down in case of overheating or after 30 minutes of inactivity. Instant heat up, ceramic infrared barrels heat up quickly in less than a minute. Swivel cord, a 360-degree swivel power cord that rotates to prevent twisting and tangling of the cord while in use. Integrated safety stand, the built-in safety stand allows to place the iron down securely during styling. Max temperature heats up to 200 degrees Celsius instantly. So there you go, a lot of features have been mentioned. I will now show you what's inside. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box. This is the Curling Tong. This is the CNT 19. And there's some documents over here as well. Let's quickly take a look at them. This is a product brochure from Ikonic. This is the warranty card for this particular curling tong. And this is the product manual for the CNT 19. So actually this is for all conical tong, sizes available 19mm to 25mm. It has all the listed features, operating instructions and also warranty. So it's a very important document, you should keep it safe. Now let's take a look at the curling tong in question. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is the ceramic heating element in question. So this is the part that you'll use to curl hair. So this is the handle. This comes with a matte black finish and also an ergonomic design. It feels pretty good when you grip it. That's great. One thing to notice is that there is this tip over here. This is not made out of ceramic. This is actually made out of the same material as the handle. So the idea is that you should be able to hold the tong like so when you want to, even when this is heated up. Which, by the way, remember this heats up to 210 degrees Celsius, so which means it will be very hot to touch. So you should not touch this thing. You should not touch this part of the tong when this is connected, or even when disconnected, to be very fair. This is okay. What else is there? These are your plus minus buttons for changing temperature, and this is the power button right over here. And this is a small display window to show the different temperatures. Finally, we have a 360-degree swivel cord. It's completely, it turns, okay, this rotates completely 360 degrees, and it also comes with a pretty long, this is almost 2.5 meter long PVC power cable with a 2-pin jack on one end. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Ikonic CNT 19 Curling Tong. Thank you for watching.